I just cannot say enough about the staff. I really just can't.
Warden Linda Thomas at the Bridgeport Correctional Center deeply appreciates the dedication of her staff members. She's especially grateful for how they've responded to an unusual amount of adversity in the form of tragedies. Several Bridgeport staff members have sadly passed away in recent times. Their loss is still felt strongly at the facility each day.
You know, when you have tragedy, it really breaks you down and it tears the morale down because, you just feel defeated.
Unfortunately, Warden Thomas speaks from personal experience. It was just a few years ago that she lost her husband. And recently, she lost her son. Warden Thomas is certainly no stranger to tragedy.
I couldn't tell you how many emails and texts I got from staff. Like, we love you, we're thinking about you. I mean, what do you need? Such amazing people. Can we come out? I mean, just staff alone sent me flowers, cards. The volunteer service had me tons of cards from inmate population. The inmates, when I came back, because it's never a secret, but the inmates, hey, Warden Thomas, we're so sorry for your loss. Just know we've been praying for you.
In some ways, perhaps, Warden Thomas is uniquely qualified to help navigate the overall mourning being experienced by Bridgeport staff members.
Through all the stuff, through COVID, through all the tragedies, and through all that, we have stood the test of time. They're still here, they still work hard, they will just do anything.
Staff have responded to the difficult times in remarkable ways. One example is what happened when one of their own was killed in a motorcycle accident.
So, everybody was just so devastated. Our care team came together. They came here like about 2 o'clock in the morning just to comfort the other staff that had worked with her, knew her, and how people were taking it hard, and just reminding them to, keep the joy, how she was, how positive she was. And the chaplain came in, on a Saturday, and the captain came back to the facility to say, hey, we're here, let's support each other. When you can have that kind of camaraderie at a facility, when you have that kind of tragedy, it is just saying how people care for each other.